Huh? Yeah, biggest snowstorm of the year. 1996, 3rd day of January, it hit us. Right smack dab in the face. See our car sitting down there? Well, it's been in there all day. We didn't get to go to Hardees for breakfast this morning. That ain't the biggest part of it, though. You ought to see the roads out here. Yeah, see all that snow we had to shovel? There's our driveway. We had to shovel that out ourselves. Yeah, there. See that? That's ice under there. If I don't watch, I'm going to fall and break my neck. Everywhere you look, snow, snow, snow. You see what we had to do this morning to shovel all that up? That wasn't very fun. And Pat, she had to stay over at Carolyn's last night. Hers was a mess. We had to get out and shovel her a place to get in. And there's the dogs. They're excited too. Yeah. See them sticking their heads over the big snow drifts. All that snow in that field, it came right in their yard. Thanks, Don Leonard. There comes the car down and they're going to meet one. Well, there goes one. He has to watch where he's going. Here comes the little car. Well, can't hardly go. You can't hardly. There's only one. Well, this is only one way right now. They hadn't come back with a plow. And them dogs, they don't know what to think about this. They just don't know what to do. I'll go on out up the road here. Man, look at that. Now, if that ain't a pile of snow to dump in your drive.